everyone. My name is Rutuja Sudarshan Kale. Today's date is 21 October 2024. Today's topic is a Spring Core Framework. Spring Framework is a Java platform that provides the compressive infrastructure support for the developing Java application. Spring handles the infrastructure, so you handle the infrastructure, so you can focus on your application. The Spring framework provide a compressive programming and the configuration model for modern Java based enterprise application on any kind of development platform. A key element of Spring is the infrastructure support at the application level. Spring focuses the plumbing of the enterprise's application, so that team can focus on the application level business logic without unnecessary ties to the special deployment environments. Support the policy and migration for information and about the minimum requirement. Guidance on the upgrading our earlier version and supporting policies. Please check out the official Spring Framework wiki pages. Features. Core technologies, dependency injection, event resources, I18M, validation, data binding, type conversion, SPEL, AOP, testing, mock projects, context framework, and Spring MSC test. Uh, Data access transaction, DAO support, JDBC, ORM, marshalling, XML, Spring MSC, and Spring Webflux web framework. Integration, for example, remoting, JSM, JCA, JMX, email, task, scheduling, and observability. Next is a language. Kotlin, Groovy, dynamic languages. These modules are Spring Core, Spring AOP, Spring Web, MVC, Spring DAO, Spring ORM, and Spring Context, Spring Web Flow. These modules provide different platforms to develop different enterprises applications. For example, you can use Spring Web MVC module for the developing MVC based applications. Spring enable you to build the application from plain old Java objects, means POJOS, and to apply enterprises services non-evasive the Java SE program model and the full and partial Java EE. For example of how you can as an application developer you can use the Spring platform advantages. Make the Java method execute in a database transaction without having to deal with the transaction APIs. Make a local Java method is a remoting procedure without having to deal with remote APIs. Make a local Java method a management operation without having to deal with JMX APIs. Make a local Java method message handler without having a deal with the JMS APIs. First is a dependency injection and in IOC container. Java application lose a term that run on the gamut from the constructor applet to the entire service side enterprises application. Typing consists of the object that collaboration or to form the application proper. The object is an application have the dependencies on other. Next is a core container. The core container consists of the core VNs, context, and expression language module. Next is the web. The web layer consists the window, web to web servlet, web structs, and web portal module. Next is the Spring Web module provide the basis web oriented integration features such as a multi-part file upload functionality and the initialization of the IOC container. Using the servlet listener and the context. It's all about the spring wave